system attributes are attributes that will already be on every single category. They are things such as the item number, the item description, legacy item number, status, assigned user. Now, today we're going to show how to change some of the functionality with the system attributes. You see that in Smart Class, I am in Smart Class, I have already navigated my tree and I found the category that I would like to work in, which is my scroll compressors. As of right now, if we select View Items, and I'm just going to open this up in another tab, we can see it's going to take us to SmartFind to look at all of our data. We'll see item number, item description, legacy item number, status, and assigned user. Let's say in this scenario, I don't want to see the assigned user, and maybe I don't really care about the status. So I'm going to go back to my Smart Class, which also usually you can just select this, but again, I wanted to just open another tab to make it a little bit easier. Now the system attributes will be right here above the dynamic attributes, and it will more than likely always be closed unless you've been working in there already. So I said the status I don't really care about, so I'm going to select toggle hidden. So I'm going to select save, but real quick, the force cascade option over here just means that if changes were made to this status system attribute at some point, it'll force whatever change I'm making right now. You probably will not have to use that very often, depending on how you're wanting to hide or rename these system attributes. Right now, I'm just going to select save. Same thing over here with the assigned user. I said I really didn't want to see that, so I will toggle that as well and select save again. This automatically saves. There is no save button, so don't worry about that. Now I can go back and view my parts again. And now we will see I do not have the assigned user or that status anymore. I had just mentioned that you can also rename something. So if I want to rename item number, part number, for example, we'll go back into Smart Class, and now I'm just going to select change name. So I will say part number and select this little save right here. Same deal. I'm just going to select save. Now we'll see a change there, and I will open up and view my items once more. We see that now reflects part number. The last thing with the system attributes is going back here, is that on some of these, on some of these, we'll say just clear the alias completely. So, for example, if you've changed, the alias at some point, then I can just say I want to go ahead and clear it. I'll hit save, and then of course it is already. Change I had made was to hide it, but clearing it did become an option. But that is what it does. It kind of resets it back to the original.